goodies. So what I'm doing here in this bowl is I've got some ground black Angus, beautiful beef, and I'm going to use the ground black Angus. I've got an egg in there. I've got some, and what I'm going to do here is prepare the beautiful burgers that I'm going to put them back in the refrigerator for later so that I can have them ready to go when we make our burgers, right? Okay. And now I'm going to get some garlic in here. I think about a teaspoon, a little, maybe half a teaspoon, and some onion. And I'm using freeze-dried. You can use fresh, whatever you guys like. Okay. And then I'm going to get some, I think I'm going to get some parsley in here, if I can find where the parsley went. Here it is. Okay. Let's get some parsley in there.
Ooh, that looks...
And I've got an egg, and I'm going to put some more breadcrumbs in, and I think that will do it. I put some salt, and then what we're going to do here is I'm going to mix this up like this. Let's get it all mixed up, and then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and let it sit there till I'm ready to film when I make our grilled Italian burgers, which is going to have some sauce on it. It's going to have some beautiful marinara sauce and some cheese, and I'm going to put these caramelized onions I've got over here in this pan. So what we're doing here is I've got this, I'm mixing it up really nice so we get it good and mixed up. And then what I'm going to do is get it mixed up like this. And this black Angus beef, ground beef, it doesn't have a lot of fat. This is a 90-10. And what I'm going to do is take them like this. I've got them all mixed together. And then I'm going to break them in half like this. And I'm going to roll 2 balls like this because I'm going to make it dinner style today. 2 balls, and I'm going to smash these down later, but I'm going to put them in the refrigerator now so that these can stay cold and be ready to go for our burgers later, right? Okay, so there we go. All right, and that's all there is to that. Set these aside, put them in the refrigerator, keep them cold till you're ready to smash them down and grill them. And so there we have it. Let me rinse my hands. Now, while I'm rinsing my hands, I want to go back to this pan I have over here. Anthony will put the camera on it, and we're going to see how our caramelized onions are coming. Let's take the lid off and take a look.
Oh, wow.
Oh, these are beautiful now. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, everybody. And that's perfect. Absolutely perfect. Just a few sprays of extra virgin olive oil, and we've got it. Okay, so this is Peter Carpizzo's. Give a watch when we do our Italian Black Angus smash burgers on the grill. And there we have it. So this is Peter Carpizzo's wishing you all the best. Thanks for everything. We wish you all the best. Believe me. Pete out.